What it is, so that it's your boy Frosty, alright? And I'm back again with another video. Y'all can see what's behind me. There's this wheel that's showing. I added a new toy to the collection. Now I don't got no collection, but that's my new vehicle. You know me. Well, if you don't, I love to be on two wheels. Now I drive a 4-wheel vehicle, but 2 wheels, you just it's different. Different for the mind, different for like, it's a whole different feeling. But what's in that garage is something that's fast, something that's big, something that's comfortable. It's honestly comfortable. What's behind me is a 2006 Yamaha YP Majesty 400cc. Go ahead, open up the garage some more, or the rest of the way. Yeah, I can see. I had bought it for like 700, 600 bucks for Amazon. I mean, I'm saying Amazon, I'm tripping. My Facebook Marketplace. The original price that it goes for like 5 to 6 bands.
Hello? Hello? What the fuck? You must got cricket. Nah, fuck all that. You must got OnePlus. Nah, for real. Hold on right quick. Hold on. Damn, I wanna trade my car in, but I ain't got the money. Why the fuck you living for, nigga? That shit ain't funny. Cuz say he finna go to the store, nigga, give me something. Damn, I wanna kill Tommy for what he did to Sonny. For Rico, my brother always finding all the glitches, he a cheat code. She said she wanna shoot a scene with me, it's a freak show. Bitch told me leave the house and hit the streets mode. I bet she hood rich. I'm trying to get some motherfucking head in the Urus. No, I ain't got no head up in my heart, I'm the purest. How many niggas you fuck? Girl, I'm curious. It's more than 10. Damn, right, I'm a sore loser, cause I like to fucking win. When my kids grow, I'ma tell them, watch out for your friends. Bitch, you moaning too loud, why you keep trying to pretend? We used to wear the polo with the white ones. Before the pistols, everybody used to shoot ones. Nigga talking about Ed Wood, you ain't go to corn. Nigga talking about Kurt Wood, you don't know corn.
Don't mind all this tape. This is Flex Seal waterproof tape. Instead of buying the part that goes to it. That's like 200 bucks. I was like, let me save some money, buy some Flex Seal, 40 bucks. That do the same thing. So just a little quick story behind that. So one thing about this bike, you cannot have the kickstand down when you're trying to start it up. This is a safety mechanism. As y'all can see, got her at 9,000 miles before taking gas. This 2006 Yamaha Majesty 400cc. I'm out.